Go eat. Come on.
Do what I want you to, baby. We'd be so far. He's chilling.
Definitely tell it with the most strong on the cross. What?
What are you doing?
I'm making some changes because the level of disrespect is getting out of hand in here.
What are you doing to the couch?
You shouldn't be worried about the couch. You should be worried about me.
Hey.
What?
Hey. What is that?
I've been loyal to you for 28 dog years, doggone it.
You need to stop doing that to the couch.
But I'm mad at you like an empty puppy cup.
I know you're mad at me, but you need to stop.